Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and permissions so your slides display correctly. This avoids permission errors. Open your Google Slides deck and check share settings. Make sure attendees can view or edit, depending on interaction. Then join the meet and select Present Now. Choose a tab to get the best audio/video sync. Once done, pick the Slides tab and press Present in Slides mode. This preserves hyperlinks and presenter notes while you lead the session. Once your deck is live, switch to presenter view so you see notes and a timer while attendees see only the slide. You control progression with arrow keys, a hardware clicker, or the on-screen arrows, and you can use the laser pointer to highlight details. This improves focus. Make sure captions and microphone settings are set for clarity, and mute noisy tabs or apps. This keeps audio crisp for participants. If you plan interaction, open queue and/or ask participants to use. To finish, stop presenting so meet returns to gallery or speaker view and deliver a brief recap or call to action. This helps retention. If collaborators edited the deck while you presented, download a copy or check version history to capture changes. If you experience lag or frozen slides, switch from tab sharing to sharing the application window or lower Meet's video quality. This reduces bandwidth and restores responsiveness. If audio drops, mute and unmute your mic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.